Hey, what's up, SafeMoon Holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the SafeMoon. What's the current price of SafeMoon? What's the price change for going to SafeMoon? In this video, I will show you, my friends. Don't miss any second of this video. If you miss, so my friends, there's a possibilities to you will get profit from SafeMoon, and there is also possibilities you will get a loss and from SafeMoon if you miss this video, my friends. So never miss any second of this video, my friends. My friends, at this time, if we look the currently price of the SafeMoon in the market, so at this time price of the SafeMoon is 0.00004 USD dollar. You know what, the currently price of the SafeMoon is very low, and SafeMoon is a good investment at this time. My friends, I know that SafeMoon have a good plan for a future, my friends. SafeMoon will take a huge pump. Remember that SafeMoon will take a huge pump in this month. So especially for short-term investor, I recommend to it's time to buy more and more, because the price of SafeMoon at this time is very low. After a pump, the price of SafeMoon very highly. So buy more and more SafeMoon. Anyways, the currently price changes of the SafeMoon is going wrong. The last 1 hour, last 1 day pricing is negative, but that is a temporary, my friends. That is a temporary changes. After some passage of time, after 1 day, after 2 days, the price of the SafeMoon will again pump. Remember that, my friends. The price of SafeMoon will again pump. That's not mean that you decide to sell. No, my friends, you have to hold for a long time. That's how you can get a good amount of profit from a SafeMoon. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the SafeMoon. My friends, from the price chart you can easily understand the future of the SafeMoon. You can see here, my friends, jump, falls down, and now at this time after falls, there's again chances to the price will pump. So that is why the price of SafeMoon is very low. Buy more and more, and if you are a holder, so please hold, don't decide to sell, my friends. And my prediction is a positive. I believe that they will take a huge pump, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about SafeMoon? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.